Shouldn't I tell you that I was a savage?
Savages.
As you can see in the video clips compiled together in the beginning of this video, the word savage is commonly used in today's social media and entertainment culture. But where did this word come from? In ancient times, woods and forests and other wild areas were very frightening to the townspeople and people who lived in the city. Dangerous animals like wolves and bears lived in the woods, and that was what scared the humans away. The Latin word for woods or forest was silva. It came from the adjective silvaticus, meaning of the woods or wild. Later, the Latin word silvaticus came to be spelled salvaticus. This spelling appeared in the French during the Middle Ages as savage, meaning wild or untamed. Eventually, it took on other meanings that the city people associated with the forest, such as cruel, brutal, or fierce. All of these meanings were carried over then into English when the word was borrowed as savage. The Merriam-Webster definition of the word savage is not domesticated or under human control, lacking the restraints of normal civilized human beings. The current definition of the word savage, according to Urban Dictionary, is a person who does not care about the consequences of his or her actions. In the next couple of minutes, you will see a montage of videos of people who were asked one question: what is the definition of the word savage? We turned this innocent interview into a competition between people who were asked the question over the age of 35 and college students. We kept a tally as to how many of each team correctly got the current definition of the word and how many got the standard dictionary definition correct as well.
Well, currently it means that, like, oh my god, that party was totally savage, like off the hook, unbelievable. Or if, like, that outfit is savage, it's kind of like a compliment. Okay. Savage.
Nah, that's not right.
Back in our day meant like you were almost like a Neanderthal.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Someone's straight savage, they're like pretty legit.
Okay.
And they're just like really cool and they like do whatever they want.
Yeah.
Intellectual talk.
Okay.
Savage is someone who is not the nicest and probably just goes really hard and like doesn't care about anyone else's opinions. But I guess it's the same way.
All right. That's perfect. Thank you.
Nah, that's not right.
If you don't know, it's okay.
I guess beast.
Yeah.
Someone that does something that's like crazy, probably.
Yeah.
Savage means menacing, terror, be really rough and rugged.
Savage, like a beast, like a person who's like really good at something.
Okay.
Oh, what do you mean?
So what does all of this mean? The younger generation in today's society is much more familiar with the current definition of the word savage. College students, like us, are the ones who are keeping up to date with the vocabulary and constantly changing the meaning of words. The older generation seems to know a lot more information about the standard, actual definition of the word. This highlights the whole purpose of this video, which was to show why it is so important for older people to understand the current definition of the word savage to prevent miscommunication.